There are a lot of times in automation where you need to find a specific piece of data inside a block of text. But the problem is, it's not an exact match. The data changes every time, like a dynamic URL, an invoice number, or an email address. To solve this, developers use regex or regular expressions. But let's be honest, writing regex code is difficult, it looks like gibberish, and it is prone to errors. Previously, you had to write this code yourself. But today, I'm going to show you how Zenphi AI, ZAIA, writes it for you. Here is our real-world scenario from our previous video. We built a pizza shop automation. When a customer orders using the make HTTP request with callback action, Zenphi puts a secret unique URL inside the request header. We need to find that URL so we can call the customer back. Let's test it first so you can see what it looks like in the final result and identify what's inside the header. We could convert the whole JSON to an object, but that takes time. The fastest way is to just grab that link directly using regex. As you can see, it's a large header that includes everything, and the callback URL is in there as well. First, let's search for regex. You will see 3 different actions, and it is really important not to confuse them. Here is the breakdown. First, split text with regex. Use this if you want to break a paragraph into separate sentences or split a CSV line into a list. Second, find values with regex. Notice the plural values. Use this if you want to extract every occurrence of a pattern, like finding all the email addresses in a document. And third, find value with regex. This finds just a single match, usually the first one. For our pizza shop scenario today, finding that one specific callback URL inside the header, we only need one link. So I am going to drag find value with regex onto the flow. Here is the text we are searching. I've pasted the header string from our trigger. Now, instead of writing complex code to find the link, I'll click the Generate with ZAIA button. Now, I just need to describe what I want in plain English. I will type, please extract the link starting with HTTPS from the text. I'll also paste my sample header here so the ZAIA knows exactly what the data looks like, and click Generate. Look at that. It wrote the pattern for me instantly. Now, let's test it to be sure. I'll click Test. Perfect. It ignored the header name and extracted only the clean URL. A quick tip. The clearer your description, the better the answer. If you need a specific format, tell the ZAIA. Now that we have this dynamic value extracted, I can use it in my next step to make the HTTP call and notify the customer that their pizza is ready. Give the ZAIA a try and stop struggling with regex code. Now we'll run the flow and wait for it to complete. You should see that the regex matches correctly and all steps finish successfully. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.